All right, so here is a drive-through of an update of the front 1 through 12 sites, just to give you an idea of what's happened. There was a truck in here today doing this. For the record, James is driving and I'm trying not to fall out. He likes to take the curbs a little fast. All the trees and debris are all gone. Is that going to be the septic field, James? Is that what we're thinking? So, site 12 used to be the best site. I'm not sure if it's going to be the best site after this, but we'll see. Okay, now the bathroom is gone.